Hey friends, if you encounter audio crackling or popping sounds in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, isolate the case with the hardware. Try the speaker on a different system and check if it helps, because if it has an issue with the hardware, then nothing else will help. Now, the first solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The second solution is to update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the speaker one or the headphone option because that is the output, and update the drivers. The next solution is to reinstall the drivers. So we'll go to the same page. This time we will expand this, right click and uninstall device. Click on action and then on scan for hardware changes. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. And the last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar. Open recovery. Click on open system restore. We'll have to turn on system protection though. Apply and then OK. Click on create. We'll create a system restore point. Okay, it will need a few seconds for that. It is creating the restore point. Okay, once it is created, click on open system restore. Click on next. Select a good restore point. Click on next. And finally click on finish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.